Your engine starts and the horsepower steal the show. But what about your tires? You know, the ones literally carrying your car through commutes, road trips, and that questionable shortcut you regretted halfway through. Shall we not give these unsung heroes their moment in the spotlight?
Look at me! Here I am!
You might think you've mastered tire care, but here's the real deal. It's proper tire rotation, the game changer you are probably ignoring. It's not just another maintenance chore. It's your golden ticket to longer-lasting tires, smoother rides, and, oh yeah, not skidding into disaster. And hey, since we're talking about smart moves, here's one. Smash that like button and subscribe. Supporting us takes less effort than removing all tires. Why tire rotation actually matters. Tires don't all get the same workload. In most cars, your front tires are like overworked interns. They handle turning, braking, and accelerating, especially in front-wheel drive cars. If you skip rotation, here's what you're signing up for. Uneven wear. Think bald tires on one side and grippy ones on the other.
His way, my way.
Doesn't sound balanced, right? Worse fuel efficiency. Friction loves uneven tires. Your wallet? Not so much. Bad alignment. When your wheels are out of whack, your tires don't roll straight or hug the road evenly. It's like your tires are trying to moonwalk when all you want is a smooth ride. How often should you rotate? The rule of thumb: rotate your tires every time you get an oil change. Think of it as a mini spa day for your car. Tires get pampered, and you leave knowing you're extending their lifespan. The tire rotation hack you didn't know you needed. Forget the basics. Front to back, side to side. This is the normal routine. For top-tier performance, try the diagonal rotate method. Rear tires move diagonally to the front. Front tires head diagonally to the rear. It's easy.
You can do it!
But here's a bonus tip. Flip them inside out for an even wear. Remove the tire from the wheel and reverse it. Yeah, it's a bit of effort, but it spreads the stress evenly and makes every mile feel like you just drove off the showroom floor. Oh, and don't forget to get your wheel balanced after. Ever wonder why isn't everyone doing this? With standard use, this adds 30% of life to your treads. Try the diagonal rotation with the inside-out flip method and watch your car thank you with smoother rides and fewer trips to the tire shop.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Flipping a tire inside out depends on the tire. Directional tires marked with arrows are usually designed for water evacuation, and reversing their direction may compromise safety. Non-directional tires are the one that can be rotated freely for extending tread life. Modern advancements in materials and tire tech allow tire flipping nowadays, but always prioritize safety. Now that your tires are the VIPs of your ride, how about letting your personality shine as brightly as your car's color? Stick around as we decode the fascinating psychology behind your paint job. Next on Fast.